Alright, this is a 69 Coronado 25. It's the berth there in the front. Little hanging closet area. And the place where the porta potty would go. Then we have the actual cabin here, living quarters. Stereo works. Decent table that turns into a bed. Another little storage area right there. Has an automatic bilge, also has a manual bilge. Little ice box. Cutting boards and things. Doesn't come with the kayak paddles. Cushions for the seats here. Height. Alright, I'll leave that. Anyway, engine's down below. Probably just needs to be cleaned. A little solar panel to trickle charge the batteries. Modified. Does the hatch there leak at all?
Which hatch?
This one right here?
This one? I don't think I've had any issues with this one leaking. It's kind of a weird design. There's water there and there's top.
Right.
I don't think I've ever actually had the seal leak. Then again, every time, I've always had it completely locked down whenever I have to take water up the valve.
Right.
And really, I've never taken water up the valve that far.
I hear you.
I think the way I've got it loaded with the batteries and all the gear in that compartment back there, and usually when we're sailing, everyone's in the cockpit, then I've always have it back weighted, so it never really, if water gets anywhere, it usually gets here, it doesn't usually get back there.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, and that's what I was going to show you. So when you get that water in the bilge, it's usually coming from somewhere right. For me, told me he took it off because he didn't like how it was fading or something like that. And I'm like, excellent, thanks.
Not like it really did anything important, right?
Yeah, well, what he should have done is just resealed it and put it back, but